Welcome to J&J's test video of S6CA204. This is a 2006 XLR V with a 4.4 supercharged motor. Was bopped in the nose right there, and that's it. That's the end of it. It does run, has 104,000 miles on it, but if you listen, that supercharger cone bearing needs changed. I'm not going to tear it apart or do anything. I'm going to sell it just as it is. I'll give you a walk around. The top does not go down. The little flap in there gets stuck, and it looks like somebody was futzing in there, and it does not work. But you hear the pump run and everything, so we're going to try the module and all that jazz. The trunk does open, so I think the body control module works. The tail lights and headlights all work. Watch it not work when I want it to. Oh, because it gives me a top not secure error now. I tried getting it up, and yeah, something just stuck. Anyway, 104,423. Stereo works. Does not have a DVD disc. The changer does not work. Oh, there. Oops. Oh, it does have a DVD disc. I forgot. Let's see if that player works. No DVD, CD changer initializer. Internal CD player is playing, so that CD player is playing.
Step one.
Yep, okay. So that one works. This one does not.
For you at forhers.com/radio. That's forhers.com/radio. FOR.
Put the DVD. Oh, forgot to put the DVD back in. Come back out. Testing. There we go. Not many people use them, and then when you need them, using sort of map, it's reading. Alright, we'll do driving. Show you the windows work. Will drive without a battery light. Ooh, that needs a bear. Got that fancy hood. Take her for a little spin. Transmission shifts. Suspensions. The leather in here is a little funky in some spots. All these old GMs, they didn't really make it the last 20 years. I don't know if it's gonna bottom out down here. It sits really low in the front, like the spring's weak or something. Oh, there we go. Probably be a and Miatas and Dodge trucks and H2s. Oh, that poor front bumper. All right, that's it. I don't know if the window, yeah, there she goes. She goes all the way up. All right, as always, thanks for watching. S6CA204, still running, so it'll be all right. We'll see what the leak down says. As always, have your pets spayed and neutered. Thank you.